Yes, my people, curry goat recipe. I'm gonna season, marinate a pot of curry goat, a pot of goat for curry. So 1 cup of oil, based on the amount of meat you're seasoning. Three tablespoons better pot curry. Ingredients for curry goat. Give me my blender, please. Thank you. Give me my seasoning right here. This bottle. Thank you. Meat seasoning. Bottle of meat seasoning. 2 tablespoons meat seasoning. Okay. Here you go. My all-purpose, Maggi all-purpose. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons all-purpose. Here we go. Quarter spoon of pink salt. Over here now I have my blend up green seasoning. Okay, my fire is on. So I stir all of that in the oil. Then over here I have garlic, onion, ginger, pimento, scallion, and a little piece of thyme. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you get all in. Goat is already washed. Goat is already washed right there. So after you stir it in on the stove, let it sit there for a good 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. And the quantity of seasoning I use, because I'm using a lot of goat, 20 pounds of goat meat. Okay, so 20 pounds of goat meat, and that's the season I use for it. So I'm gonna let this simmer on low flame for 3 minutes.
Which one? Pause. Pause. Start.
Okay, so after my snooping of the seasoning, this is what it's supposed to look like. Now this is my 20 pounds of goat meat. So based on the amount of goat meat you're doing, that's my 20 pounds of goat meat. Spread it over it nice and easy. Nice and easy over the goat meat. And then that's when you stir it in. Make sure you have everything seasoned to the bone. That's the way you want it. Yeah, for the color, the flavor, the taste. Everything inside. When you're ready to cook it now, I season and stir everything inside. Let it look nice. When you're ready, you put your pot on the stove, a tablespoon of curry in the pot with some raw garlic, and when it's hot, then you pour your meat in, stir, and leave it there to cook. So this is gonna sit for another 24 hours before I cook it. Cover it nicely and put it in the fridge to marinate for 24 hours. So this is for the backyard party extravaganza, cooking in the backyard. This Sunday, 29th of September, all are invited. Roast yam, ackee and saltfish, curry goat, oxtail, jerk chicken, yeah, and more. Sorrel, some nice rich sorrel is there too. Lemonade, okay, that's nice. So it's gonna be seasoned. There's some breadfruit in the oven right now. So curry goat and roast breadfruit. Let me go down so you can see the breadfruit. A few breadfruit in the oven, okay, and curry goat. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube video. See you in the next video. Thank you.